created a Google Forms where I collect the appointments from my customers for my salon. Now, what I want is that as soon as a form submission is done by the customer through Google Forms, towards that person who have done the form submission, a WhatsApp confirmation message should be forwarded. Now, sending the WhatsApp messages manually is a very time consuming part because I might enter an error data towards the wrong number I can send the message or miss out on some of the confirmations. So here is where this video is very important for you. Now, if you want to create the setup to send automated confirmation WhatsApp messages for all the new form submissions, this setup is just for you. Let me show you how this automation is going to work. First of all, this is my WhatsApp. You can see I am going to do a form submission for dummy customer. This is my phone number. The service that I'm looking for is skin treatment. The appointment date is on 30th of May 2026 and the timing is 1 p.m. I'm going to do the form submission. As soon as now I've done the form submission successfully through Google Forms, on my WhatsApp you can see an automated message is forwarded to me from dummy customer. Hello dummy customer, your appointment has been successfully booked at Look Style Salon. You can see it's for skin treatment. It's on 30th of May 2026 at 1 p.m. Please arrive 5-10 minutes before your appointment time. We look forward to serving you. Best regards, Look and Style Salon. I have received this WhatsApp notification confirmation of my appointment message. As now I've received this message successfully, this is how the setup is going to work. An instant WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded towards the new appointment bookings through your form submission. In this video, we're going to discuss about the setup, and by the end, you can create the setup without need of any technical, coding and programming skills using the software that is Pabbly Connect. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this setup with Pabbly. In order to access Pabbly Connect, you have to search for www.pabbly.com/connect on a new tab and you will come to this landing page. Now, if you're a new user, you're logging in for the first time, you don't have to worry. Simply sign up for free from here, using which you will get 100 free tasks every single month. Using the 100 free tasks, you can create this setup right away, absolutely for free. Test it out from your end how it's working, and then you can purchase a yearly or lifetime plan in order to automate your business workflows. Now, if you're planning to do so, use the code that's on the left side of my screen. It's a gift just for you, with the help of which you will get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase. I have already logged in and I have already created this workflow. Now, if you want a free template of a workflow that is in this video, you can check out the workflow link in the description section. You can go ahead and use it. Now, I will discuss about this automation right here, that how you can connect your Google Forms to WhatsApp. Now, over here, my trigger is what? Google Forms new response received. Now, I have received this webhook URL through Pabbly and the steps that I need to follow to create the connection. Copy this URL and open the form that you have created. In order to connect this form to Pabbly Connect, go to Responses section, and over here you will see the option of Link to Sheets instead of View in Sheets. Click on that and create a new spreadsheet through the option. As you will do that, you will see automatically a spreadsheet is going to appear in front of you. It will be a brand new spreadsheet, and this spreadsheet is directly linked to this form. As soon as by someone a form submission will be done, you will see all the responses like this will be kept as a record. Now, you need to connect this spreadsheet to Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to learn a step-by-step guide of how you can connect your Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect totally, you can check out the video I've added in the description section, from where you can learn how you can create this connection. As the connection will be done, as soon as the new form submission data will be added in this Google Sheets, instantly a response like this will be captured. Now, let us see the response. You will receive a phone number like this. If you'll scroll down, you will receive the treatment like this, the name of the person. You will receive the appointment date and appointment time just like this. So, as now the response is captured towards this person, let's send a WhatsApp message. Now, I manage my WhatsApp conversations through Pabbly Chat Flow. This is an amazing software with the help of which businesses can easily manage their WhatsApp business account conversations, create amazing WhatsApp chatbots, AI-powered WhatsApp chatbots as well. There are multiple features of Pabbly Chat Flow, and if you want to learn how you can set up your Pabbly Chat Flow account, what are the features and what all you can do with Pabbly Chat Flow, you can check out all the video links in the description section. Now, I have created this template using Pabbly Chat Flow. Now, with the help of this template, I want to send the WhatsApp messages, confirmation messages towards all my form submissions customers. So over here, if you want to learn how you can create a template, the video is in the description section for that as well. Now this is the template where I've added few variables. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the variables where I want to add the name, service, date and time to send and share the details of the form submission, that this is your data that you have forwarded while doing the form submission, and confirm it with the message. Okay, so that is why we have added the variables. Now using this template, let's send an amazing WhatsApp message using Pabbly chat flow send template message. Click on this connected option. You will come to this page right over here. Go towards add new connection section. You need to provide the token. You will find the token inside the API and webhook section of your Pabbly chat flow account. After doing that, the connection will be created successfully after entering the token and saving the connection, and then you have to enter the recipient phone number first. Now over here we are going to map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step, which I'll show you how you can do that. Add a slash where you want to map the data. Previous step is going to appear. Now as towards this phone number, I want to send a WhatsApp message. I will select the data of this phone number from my previous response, which makes this data mapped and dynamic. That means now whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. This is the template. You can see I've created in the name of salon appointment confirmation. So this is the template. You have to select it from the drop down. You will see all your templates in this templates name section and select the one which you want to send. Header type, there is no header, so I will select over here as text. Leave that field. I do not require any other fields as I don't have any other header, so I'll skip the part. Next over here, I've created 4 variables in the template: name, service, date and time. You will see the variables just like this: name, service, date and time. I've mapped the details. This name, the contact is going to be saved with this name, so you have to enter the name of the person right here. Opt-in will be yes, incoming will be no. And I do not require any other fields, so I'll simply skip the part. Simply click on the save and send test request button, and you will receive a response like this, which is a positive response with the status as success and the message as message sent. So as you will receive the response, you will see an automated WhatsApp message towards the person like this will be forwarded who have done the form submission if you receive the status as success right here. Okay, so this is how you create the connection between Google Forms and WhatsApp, so that whenever a new Google Form submission for the appointment booking will be done, automated WhatsApp message towards that person using Pabbly chat flow template is going to be forwarded on their number. Now, if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. This is an amazing use case businesses can use. Not just Google Forms. If you have created a website form, if you have created Typeform, Gravity Form, Elementor, you can create the setup for any of them. Now, this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.